You are going to love the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.